Let's talk about the Elco jockey wheel. This jockey wheel is rated up to 400 kilos, which is a fantastic load for our trailers. In this case, we have the front support legs down on this trailer, so it's not needed to be attached to a card for demonstration purposes. So we would have the vehicle still attached to the trailer, and you're traveling with the jockey wheel fully closed. So we'll pull out the handle and that will drop down quite easily. And then we just drop that down to ground level. All right, now that's dropped down to ground level. We're just leveling up with our drawbar of our car so we can just simply drive out. It's important that when you're on site, and now if you want to move your trailer a little bit, that you don't move the trailer with the jockey wheel fully extended. You need to drop it back down to a low height, move the trailer, and then wind it back up. So that's really important. With a really long shaft, you can do some damage inside. So they're pretty simple, and same in reverse. You'd bring your car in, hook up, then you would come back up in reverse. And when you're traveling, you just want to make sure that you do fully wind it up into itself. That'll just lock the wheel from rotating. And once we've fully loaded, you just pull the handle out and lift that up, and then you're ready to go. So just a little bit of maintenance for wear and tear on your jockey wheel. Just make sure that it's kept free from dust and debris. Also, it's a good idea to keep an eye on these bolts to make sure that they're nice and tight, and also that you keep some lubricant in here at all times. And also keep an eye on your wheel to make sure that it's free of cracks. If you do need any spare parts or you have any issues with your Elco jockey wheel, please give us a call and we'll see how we can help and whether we've got some parts for you. And we also get great support from Elco. So enjoy. I think it's all angels just walk by.